octopus and the hidden cave. Once upon a time, in the deep blue sea, there lived a curious young octopus named Ollie. Ollie had 8 tentacles, a heart full of wonder, and a knack for finding hidden treasures. He loved exploring the vast ocean, peeking into coral reefs, and squeezing into the tiniest crevices. But there was one place he had never explored, an ancient, hidden cave that no sea creature dared to enter. One day, while gliding through the water, Ollie heard whispers from a school of fish about the mysterious cave. They said it was filled with glowing seashells, ancient maps, and something even more magical, a secret so powerful that whoever found it would unlock the mysteries of the entire ocean. Ollie's curiosity bubbled up. He decided to venture into the cave. As he approached its entrance, the water around him grew calm, and a strange, warm glow lit the way. With each twist and turn inside the cave, Ollie's tentacles brushed against shimmering walls covered in seashells that hummed softly, like an old lullaby. Just as Ollie was about to give up, he spotted a hidden door carved out of coral. His heart raced as he touched it, and to his amazement, the door creaked open. He bravely entered inside, and to his surprise, he saw something glowing. He went more closer, and as he looked at it, he was shocked by its brilliant light. He saw a glowing pearl floating in the center of a small chamber. It was unlike anything Ollie had ever seen, radiant and pulsing with light. As he reached out to touch it, the pearl spoke. "You, Ollie, are the first to find me in centuries. I am the pearl of wisdom. I hold the secrets of the sea." The pearl told Ollie that it had chosen him to be the guardian of the ocean's secrets, and with this, Ollie could communicate with all sea creatures, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. Overjoyed, Ollie thanked the pearl and promised to keep the magic alive by sharing stories and wisdom with others. He left the cave with a newfound sense of wonder, knowing that his adventures had only just begun. Ollie held the pearl in his hands, feeling its warmth radiate through him. As he stepped out of the cave, the ocean seemed different, more vibrant, alive with a language he could now understand. The gentle hum of the waves and the whispers of the sea creatures filled his ears. A playful dolphin leaped out of the water, greeting Ollie with a joyous squeal, while schools of colorful fish swam around him, each sharing tales of their oceanic journeys. Every day after that, Ollie would visit his new sea friends, learning fascinating secrets of the deep blue. The turtles told him stories of ancient times, the seahorses shared the mysteries of the coral reefs, and even the mighty whales sang songs of wisdom passed down through generations. Ollie listened, captivated by the beauty of their world, and in return, he shared the stories with his village, inspiring everyone to cherish the ocean and its wonders. As time passed, Ollie became known as the Ocean Whisperer, the boy who could talk to the sea. People traveled from distant lands to hear his stories, which were filled with lessons of kindness, adventure, and the magic that connected all living things. And as Ollie stood on the shore, watching the sun set into the horizon, he knew that the ocean's secrets would live on through him, in every story he told and every heart he touched. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Ollie smiled, knowing that the magic of the ocean would always be with him. He had become more than just a guardian, he was now a storyteller of the sea, and with each tale, he kept the magic alive for generations to come. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.